back. If you do not know me, my name is Julia. I am your favorite thrifter, your favorite thrift reseller, and your favorite thrift shopper. And I'm gonna also teach you how to make a little bit of money on the side if you are interested in that. So if any of those things interest you, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I sound like a robot. Today you are currently balanced on my plant, which is balanced on an elephant, which is balanced on a coffee cup. So that's how everything's going. And here's my childhood stuffed animal hanging on my clothing rack. So that's the vibe. Today we are going to do something a little fun. I have noticed that cow print is literally everywhere. You know, like the point where Shein is selling it. Can we talk about this? We do not stand Shein. We do not shop there. We don't. But the second that they sell something or sell a certain kind of print, it becomes super trendy and everyone tries to sell it because they know that they're going to try and make some profit off of what Shein is also selling. So I decided, instead of buying into the consumer idea of buying something, even though I know it's going to go out of style in like 2 months, I'm going to make it from my own closet. And so today I took some pants that were ridiculously stained and made them into very, very cute cow pants. So if you want to move on to painting, then let's get this video started. Okay, you guys, it's day 2 of the cow pants. This is what they look like. So I actually just ended up using regular acrylic paint, and I think it did pretty well, but it is a little rough. So if you decide to do this, I definitely recommend doing like fabric paint. This is just all I had. So I think today what I'm gonna do is, instead of painting the front again, I'm gonna fill in these little cracks with Sharpie, and honestly, that'll just be fine for me because I'm the one wearing them, so I'm not too worried. And then I'm gonna paint the back, and then we'll be done. I honestly think they're turning out really well, considering, I mean, and it covered the stain well, it's paint. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today, and then we'll be completely finished with the cow pants. Backside of the pants, and I'm gonna let them dry right here with the fan on them, and then I'm gonna throw them in the wash, and then we're gonna throw them in the dryer, and then we're gonna do a montage, a lookbook. They're probably gonna be hard to style. So, alright, scratch the washing. Apparently that cracks your jeans. How to keep acrylic paint from cracking on your jeans, so apparently I'm never gonna be able to wash these again. But lookbook in 3, 2, 1.
I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
For the Bootsy. Bootsy!